Do you want to speak English naturally while enjoying your morning tea? Imagine starting your day with simple words, small sentences, and easy conversations. Today, we will learn English the fun and natural way. Just like talking to a friend, you will discover words for your morning, things around your house, your feelings, nature, and even your plans for the day. By the end, you can speak confidently and naturally. Now let's start learning English together. Chapter 1. Morning Words. Starting your day. You wake up in the morning. The sun is shining through your window. You feel sleepy but happy to start a new day. You go to the kitchen to make your tea. You take a cup and pour hot water into it. You add tea leaves or a tea bag. You wait for a few minutes. The smell of tea fills the room. You feel relaxed. You eat your breakfast with your tea. Maybe you have bread, butter, or eggs. You sip your tea slowly. You enjoy every moment. You think about your day. When you drink tea, you notice small things around you. The table is clean. The chair is comfortable. The spoon is shiny. You see your plate on the table. You look outside the window. The sky is bright. You hear birds singing. You can speak in English about your morning. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink tea in the morning. I eat bread for breakfast. You practice simple sentences every day. You will get better and better. Sometimes you feel sleepy even after drinking tea. That is normal. You can stretch your hands and take deep breaths. You feel more awake. You smile and start your day with energy. You can also talk about your feelings. You can say, I feel happy this morning. I feel calm while drinking tea. Talking about simple things makes your English stronger. Remember, every morning is a new chance. You drink your tea. You eat your breakfast. You feel ready to learn and speak English. Chapter 2. Around the house. Daily objects. You sit at your table with your tea. You look around your house. You see many objects. Every object has a name in English. You can learn these names and use them in sentences. You see a chair. You sit on the chair. You can say, I sit on the chair. You see a table. You put your cup of tea on the table. You can say, the cup is on the table. You look at the window. Sunlight comes through it. You can say, the sun shines through the window. You see a door. You open the door and go outside. You can say, I open the door. You hold a spoon in your hand. You eat with a spoon. You can say, I eat with a spoon. You see your plate. You put bread or fruits on the plate. You can say, the plate has bread. You notice your phone and your book. You can say, I read a book. I check my phone. Every object has a simple word. You can use these words every day. You can also describe colors. Your cup is white. Your chair is brown. Your table is black. You can say the cup is white. The chair is brown. Simple sentences help you speak English naturally. You practice slowly. You touch objects and say their names. You make small sentences about them. You speak in the present, past, and future. For example, I sit on the chair. I sat on the chair yesterday. I will sit on the chair tomorrow. You enjoy your tea while learning words. You feel happy because learning English is easy. Every day you notice objects. Say their names and practice. You become confident step by step. Chapter 3. Feelings and Emotions. How you feel in the morning. You wake up in the morning. Sometimes you feel happy. Sometimes you feel sleepy. Sometimes you feel tired. Every day is different, and your feelings change. Learning the words for your feelings helps you speak English naturally. When you feel happy, you smile. You can say, I feel happy this morning. You may drink your tea slowly and enjoy it. Happiness is a simple feeling, but it is important. You notice small things. The sun shines. Birds sing, you feel cheerful and calm. Sometimes you feel sleepy after waking up. You yawn and stretch your hands. You can say, I feel sleepy. You can drink hot tea or wash your face. These actions help you feel awake. You notice your energy slowly coming back. You can say, I am feeling more awake now. Sometimes you feel tired because of yesterday's work. Your body feels heavy. You can say, I feel tired today. You sit quietly and breathe deeply. You can also say, I need some rest. Using these words makes it easy to describe your feelings. You also feel relaxed sometimes. You sit on your chair, sip tea, and enjoy the morning. You can say, I feel relaxed. You may look outside and see the garden or the trees. The wind feels cool on your face. You feel peaceful. You can even say, the morning is calm and peaceful. Sometimes you feel excited. Maybe you have plans to meet a friend or go somewhere special. You can say, I feel excited about today. Excitement gives energy. You want to start your day quickly. You feel ready to learn, work, or play. You can also describe small emotions. You feel cheerful, calm, sleepy, or calm. You feel proud when you finish a task. You feel grateful for your tea or breakfast. You can say, I feel grateful for this beautiful morning. Every morning, you can practice speaking about your feelings. You can say, I felt sleepy, but now I feel happy. I will feel excited when I meet my friend. Using present, past, and future tenses helps you speak naturally. Feelings are simple words, but they are very important. When you describe your feelings every day, you speak English confidently. Drinking tea, noticing your feelings, and saying them aloud makes learning easy and fun. Chapter 4. Nature and Outdoors. Words around you. You drink your tea and look outside the window. The morning is fresh and beautiful. Nature has many simple words that you can learn in English. Trees, flowers, birds, and the sky are all around you. You see the sun in the sky. You can say, the sun is bright. You feel its warm light on your face. Sometimes clouds cover the sun. You can say, the sky is cloudy today. Using simple words helps you describe nature easily. You notice trees in your garden or outside. You can say, the trees are green. Leaves move with the wind. You can say, the wind moves the leaves. You feel calm when you see nature. You can also say, I feel calm when I see trees. You see flowers in your garden. Some flowers are red, some are yellow, and some are white. You can say, the flowers are beautiful. You can even describe the smell. The flowers smell sweet. Using colors and simple adjectives makes your English more natural. Birds sing in the morning. You can say, the birds are singing. Sometimes birds fly in the sky. You can say, birds are flying high. Listening to birds is relaxing. You feel happy when you notice them. Sometimes it rains in the morning. You can say, it is raining. You hear the sound of raindrops on the window. You can say, the rain is soft and gentle. Rain makes the garden fresh and green. You can also talk about what you want to do outside. You can say, I will walk in the garden. I want to sit under the tree. Talking about nature helps you use simple future and present sentences. Every morning you notice small details. The sky changes colors. The wind moves gently. The birds sing. The flowers bloom. You can describe all these things in English. You feel more connected to the world. Practicing these words every day helps you speak confidently. You can describe nature while drinking tea, walking, or sitting in your garden. Nature gives you simple and fun words to use in your daily English. Chapter 5. Talking about your day. Simple future words. You finish your morning tea and think about your day. Every day is full of small plans and activities. Learning simple words to talk about your day helps you speak English naturally. You can start with easy words like go, eat, read, walk, play, meet, work, and study. For example, you can say, I will go for a walk. I will eat breakfast soon. Using will helps you talk about the future. You can also say what you want to do. You can say, I want to read a book. I want to meet my friend. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful in daily conversations. You can speak confidently about your plans. Sometimes you have small tasks at home. You can say, I will clean my room. I will cook lunch. Talking about your tasks in English makes it easier to use the language every day. You can also talk about fun activities. You can say, I will play football in the evening. I want to watch a movie. You use simple words, and your sentences are easy to understand. You can also say, I will relax after my work. You can combine your morning feelings with your plans. For example, I feel happy, and I will go for a walk. I feel relaxed, and I want to read a book. This way, you practice both emotions and future words. In one sentence, you can talk about other people too. You can say, my friend will come to my house. My brother will study in the afternoon. You can also ask questions. Will my friend come today? What will I eat for lunch? Asking questions helps you speak naturally. Every day, you can practice these simple sentences. You can write them, speak them aloud, or think about them in your mind. Speaking about your day makes English learning easy and practical. When you talk about your plans, you feel organized and confident. You drink your tea, notice your feelings, see your surroundings, and plan your day. Every word you learn and every sentence you speak makes your English stronger.